Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Bradley YT and welcome back to another crypto video. So today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and XRP and just see what's going on really. If you haven't checked out yesterday's video, then please go and do that and slap a like on it and maybe comment to say that you've watched it. But let's just get straight into it. Bitcoin has been very slow actually the last few hours. I've been watching the price because I've got a position open on XRP. I've got a 40 times leverage open on XRP because I feel like it's about to go big. But let's just get straight into it. I will explain that long position in a minute. So Bitcoin at the moment, we're on the 45-minute chart. So currently we are still following this support level here well, at the moment the support level here for us is about $21,200. This is our sort of like long-term support level up here. So as long as we stick to this support level here, then we should be fine for Bitcoin. So we have obviously come back down here, so we've broken out of this bullish pennant pattern like I said we would. We broke all the way up to about $21,900 like I did predict. I did tweet on Twitter before this actually happened. I think I said around here that we were about to break out, and we did, but we very quickly got rejected from this resistance level here of $21,800, and we came all the way back down here to $21,200 support level, and now we've obviously bounced back up. My short-term prediction for Bitcoin is around $21,500 as long as we tick bullish, which it looks like we are just about to tick bullish on Bitcoin. So our short-term prediction is about $21,500, but if we obviously tick bullish on the higher time frames, then we should hopefully come back up and retest this resistance level here of 21,800. But it seems to be quite a strong resistance level at this moment in time. So that's my short prediction. We are about to tick bullish on the 45-minute chart. As you can see there, Bitcoin did move a little bit, so I do feel like we should be, as soon as we do tick bullish, my short-term prediction here is about $21,500. So at the moment we are currently in like a sort of ascending wedge for Bitcoin. Let's just draw that in. So it does look like we are about to break out of this basically fairly soon. But as soon as we break out of this, then yeah, the short-term prediction is $21,500. So the RSI is looking fine. The MACD is not looking bullish just yet. But if we move up towards the hourly chart, same again, not quite ticking bullish yet, but I feel like we should do in the next sort of hour or two tick bullish and pump up to $21,500, maybe even more. But just depends on how much volume that we actually get once we tick bullish, basically. So same again, not quite ticking bullish yet on the RSI and not quite on the MACD, but Bitcoin's moving slow. The price action is not moving very quick at the moment, as we have obviously been quite volatile. But as long as we stay above this sort of ascending support line that we've got here, then we should be fine for continuation for Bitcoin. And we need to close, we need to keep on closing above this support level here of $21,200. It's critical for Bitcoin basically. So if we move towards the 4-hourly chart, same thing. We are currently in a bearish flag pattern, which I'll draw in. So these are our sort of levels here. So it's between the, I don't need that actually. It's between the basically the support level here and the top of this candle here. So if we do break out of this for Bitcoin, then the prediction for Bitcoin would be basically that we will break through this resistance level, which would be up here at around $21,900, which we did do today, but we very quickly got rejected. So we may well do that again if we do break out of this, but we will see what happens. But we are getting close to the edge of this support level here as well. So I'm hoping that we do actually end up breaking out of this and start trading above these levels here between the support level of 21,800 and the resistance of 22,400. So that's sort of my prediction. But as you can see, Bitcoin is trying to pump, and yeah, so the RSI is not too far about of ticking bullish, but we just need to sort of get that little pump and break out of this and close above this in the next 3 hours for Bitcoin on the 4-hourly chart. Let's head towards the daily chart. The daily chart, we're in some sort of bullish flag pattern again. So as you can see, this is the sort of bullish flag pattern here. Not quite a bullish flag pattern, but it's the same sort of logic basically. But we need to, on the daily chart, we need to stay above this support level here. If we close below it on the daily, then we're coming down. We're coming all the way down to about $20,000 again. So as long as we stay above this, we should be fine for continuation. But but as you can see here, we've obviously come down, bounced all the way back up, but this is quite a strong support level here at this moment in time. We obviously keeping hitting it and bouncing back up, so I'm hoping that we don't break through this. But let's head towards XRP. XRP, we are in a bullish pennant pattern, and we have obviously broken out of this. This is why I've put a long position on Bitcoin, on XRP. Obviously, do not copy anything I'm doing. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for me. This is my money that I'm using. I'm not telling you guys to do it. This is just for me. So basically, with XRP, we are in this bullish pennant pattern, and we have obviously just broken out of it. I placed the position just in the corner here at about 36.5 cents. My prediction for this, obviously the short-term prediction on the 30-minute chart was about 36 to 37 cents, but as long as we close above this in the next few hours, then we should be up. We should be basically ready for continuation up towards the upside. We should get some impulsive break of about 8% to around 39.5 cents. But we need to try and retest these levels here first, because obviously we got rejected back here. So I would probably expect that we probably would get rejected around these levels, around this resistance of 38.5 cents. So I will place my take profit just below this. So yeah, that's it for XRP. We have just ticked bullish on the 45-minute chart, and we're not too far off of ticking bullish on the MACD. If we head towards the hourly chart as well, as you can see, we have still broken out of this, and we are going to be closing out of this in the next 9 minutes on the hourly. So that's even more bullish for XRP to break out. As you can see, we have hit the target that I've obviously put here of 36, well, about 37 cents. As long as we stay outside of this and we do close outside of this bullish pennant pattern, then we should be fine for continuation. As you can see, we have ticked bullish down here on the RSI. Let's head towards the 4-hourly chart. As you can see on the 4-hourly chart, we have also broken out of this bullish pennant pattern here. So my prediction for this, if we do close above this in the next few hours, then we should be fine for continuation up to around 39.5 cents to 40 cents basically. But obviously, as you can see here, we did get rejected up here at about 38.5 cents. This is why I'm saying that I might place my take profit below this, only if I fall asleep in the next few hours and it does pump and get rejected up here. I'll be gutted if I don't set a take profit, and it obviously pumps higher or comes back down. But obviously I have placed a stop loss. I placed the stop loss around just over 36.5 cents, I think. So yeah, as long as we close above this in the next sort of 3 hours or so, as you can see over here, we've got about 3 hours and 8 minutes left until the 4-hourly candle closes. As long as we close out of this on the 4-hourly, then we should be fine for continuation for XRP, and we should get some impulsive break basically, which is what I think. Let's check the MACD. The MACD is not too far off ticking bearish, but obviously the RSI says different. Obviously, if you go back on the time frames, obviously the hourly we have just ticked bullish, and obviously the MACD looks very different. We've obviously bounced back off of this. Hopefully we don't tick bearish on the MACD, but we will see what happens. I do feel like we should get this break for XRP, but we will see what happens basically. Obviously I haven't got a crystal ball, yeah, obviously crypto is very volatile at the moment. So obviously it can do anything. It can break towards the downside very rapidly, or it can break towards the upside. But you just got to take that chance, and this is why you always place stop losses when you do trades, especially leverage trades. Me personally, I've done a 40 times leverage trade, so my liquidation price is not too far off my entry price. So, but you do always place a stop loss not too far below your entry price. So if you do get stopped out, you only lose $5 to $10, which is not a massive amount. But obviously, this is not me telling you what to do. This is just me saying what I've done. Obviously, I'm not telling you to go and spend your money. Anything you do is down to you. It's not down to me, because this is not financial advice. So if you do it and you lose it, then that's down to you, not my fault. But this is just my position that I've got open on XRP. I've held XRP for a while now, and yeah, I do feel like XRP should be about $5 to $10 coin in the next few hours. That'll be lovely. The next few years. But yeah, anyway, I'm not going to ramble on about XRP. So let's check the daily chart for XRP. As you can see here, we are in a bullish pennant pattern for XRP. If we do break out of this, the break towards the upside would be a lot higher. So if we do get that pump and we do end up closing outside of it, either today or tomorrow, then the break towards the upside for the daily will be this big green candle here. So if we put that around here-ish, that will mean that we will basically go past what I've said. So I said that if we do break out, then the short-term sort of break towards the upside for XRP will be about 39.5 cents. If we close outside of it on the daily, then we will have a bigger break towards the upside to around 41 to 42 cents for XRP, and that will be a 14% increase in price. So as long as XRP keeps on getting that volume, like it looks like we are continuing to get more and more volume each day for XRP. As you can see here, this is the last few days. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is in like the last 6 days. So we've gradually been getting more volume for Bitcoin over the last few days. So I do feel like we can potentially close out this bullish pennant pattern and get back up to these prices that we were the other week. So this was the 1st of June. We're now the 26th of June, so this was the beginning of the month. We were sort of around, well, retesting these resistance levels of 42 cents. So I do feel like we can get back up there for XRP. It's very undervalued, so that's just my opinion. So hopefully my long position does pay out and I do actually get that break towards the upside. That 18% on a 40% leverage would be absolutely lovely. 40 times leverage, sorry. So yeah, that's it really for today's video. If you like the video, then please slap a like on it and make sure you subscribe. I've been stuck on 23 subscribers for a very long time, so it'd be nice to see some new subscribers. And I'll be posting more often. Make sure you check out my Twitter as well, which is in my sort of my YouTube banner. Go and check it out. It's exactly the same. It's Crypto Bradley YT. And you'll be up to date with stuff. I've been posting today. I posted about the breakout for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin did break out and it hit the price that I said it would. So just make sure you follow my page and slap a like on some stuff, and maybe just comment on some stuff as well to say that you come over from YouTube, just to let me know, and I'll message to say hi. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you on tomorrow's video. Peace.